everyone, Michelle Unger here with Quality PC Training, and I am the lead data literacy facilitator here at Quality PC Training, and we have a free workshop. We have several free workshops coming up, and I wanted to give you just a sneak peek about one of them that's coming up on Friday, February 21st. So it is going to be at 2 p.m. It is live. It is free. It's going to last about 60 minutes, and it is about taking your PowerPoint presentations from good to great. So I wanted to talk to you a little bit about what we're going to be covering. So the first piece is we're going to talk about knowing your target audience. So making sure that you know who you are presenting to. So sometimes you have the opportunity to do a little bit of research on that. Sometimes you don't, but it's very important to find out who your audience is so you know how to tailor your PowerPoint presentation to them. For example, if they are an audience that is very visually inclined, you want to make sure you include lots of visuals for that. If they are somewhat sophisticated with data, you may want to include more charts and graphs. But no matter what you decide to do, make sure that you understand the audience. The second thing we're going to be talking about, of many things, is being able to, again, target that presentation to your audience. So try to find relevant examples. So if you are presenting to a group of people in healthcare, you're going to want to use topics and examples that they can relate to. That's going to make the training that much more meaningful, or that presentation, whatever it happens to be. And ideally, the topic should be something that is going to solve a problem for them. So that's important if that's the type of presentation that you're doing. And the third thing I want to talk about, which we're going to go into more detail when we actually do the presentation, is starting with an outline. So you can create your presentations in Microsoft Word, and you can create them within PowerPoint. But using Word, the outline feature of Word, is really helpful, and I'm going to show you all the tips and tricks how to do that. Don't forget to register for this. The information is posted, and hopefully we'll see you soon. Thanks.